look at those red eyes here. It's like a real oven. The noise is even from from the oven. Hope you can hear it. I'm walking around the lava field, you know. Still plan to do one more drone flight. I still have one battery. I think I'll just walk on this hill up there behind and do 2-3 footages from that hill, and then I will go back to the bike. That's it for today. I've got some nice videos. No lava close-ups, but look here, but many nice videos of the volcano. So much heat coming from this. Let's take a look at the volcano. And there you see people are very far, like 1 kilometer away from here. Newly arrived hot lava